everyone, check out my new 10-piece set from Rachael Ray. These are Bakeware and they come with this gorgeous grip set. I got it in marine blue, but they have other colors as well, and they do have Rachael Ray embedded on them, which I think is super nice. So let's break it down by pieces. First up, we have the loaf set. Check this out. It is super cool. Maybe you want to bake some bread at home, and it even comes with an insert as well with holes on the bottom for any sauces you might add, things like that. Super cool. Next up, we have the cookie set. Check this out, you guys. Making some nice cookies from home, from scratch, and it also comes with the same insert as the loaf pan. I really like this detail. As you can see, there is a hole in here, so you can easily grip it with your fingers, making it so easy to put on and off. Next up, we have two round pans. They're the exact same size, so maybe you want to make a 2-tier cake or something like that, making it super easy to get both of them done at the same time. Similarly, we have a square pan. This is awesome for any cake you want to make that has a same length as the width, so it's perfect for that. And last up, we have these as well. Perfect for making anything from a sheet cake. Maybe you want to put some cookies in here too. And a bigger, deeper one, as you can see, but they are the same size, which makes them so easy to store. Now I have a special secret to tell you guys about these two. They can actually close with the Rachael Ray lid. So check this out. Maybe you want to put a cake in there, some cupcakes, you made some cookies, and you want to go to your friend's house or something. You want to take them some. All you gotta do is snap this on and check it out. You can use this for traveling, maybe keep it in your fridge if anything. And that is it, guys. Check this out on Amazon. I definitely recommend it. It is the perfect bakeware set because it gives you everything you need to make, from cookies, maybe you're gonna make some chicken in the oven, or even a big cake that you can store in the fridge. Go check it out.